Welcome to SuperVital Breathwork. I'm Jørgen, your instructor, here to guide you through each breath. This is inner nature, and that's where we're going. We look for nature as something out there, but the closest wilderness is inside. Let's breathe our way in. Er du klar derovre? Let's begin. First round. Nose breathing, slow pace, in 3, 2, 1. In, let the air expand your stomach, then your chest. Out, and right into the next breath. No pause, just keep the rhythm going. Follow the sound or the visual cues. Nose breathing supports vitality by releasing nitric oxide. Take deep connected breaths, and as you breathe, relax. Let go of any tension. Now that we are getting into the rhythm and pace, start to notice what's happening in your body. Observe it. You don't need to silence your mind. You only need to breathe so deeply that the mind dissolves into awareness. Keep the rhythm going. Let each breath take you deeper into your wild inner nature. Give it all you got. Now get ready for a relaxing breath hold. Take one last deep breath in. Make it your biggest yet. Release in 3, 2, 1. Let the air out gently. Just let it settle. Breath hold for 1 minute. Close your eyes, relax and enjoy. Notice how stillness grows when breath is gone. Your body is fully oxygenated, so there's no need to breathe for a little while. If you feel the urge to breathe, just take a quick sip of air and continue. No need to force anything. Scan your body and release any tension you find. Simply rest and observe. Almost there. Here comes the recovery breath. In 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in through your nose. Hold and give your body a nice stretch. Gently tense your pelvic floor to awaken your energy. In a moment we will release the air slowly with the mantra Aum. Just play with it. In 3, 2, 1. Ow. Second round. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Double pace. In 3, 2, 1. In. Out. No pause. Keep the rhythm going. Deep connected breaths, and as you breathe, relax. Imagine strong roots, like from an ancient tree, grounding you into the earth. Breathe through those roots. Inhale lives. Exhale what no longer serves you back into the soil. Notice what's happening in your body. Maybe a tingling in the hands, a lightness, a rush of energy or emotions rising. It's all okay. It's natural. Give it all you got for this final minute. Give it all you got. Our breath hold is coming up. Take one last full deep breath in, your biggest one yet. Release in 3, 2, 1. Let the air out gently. Just let it settle. Breath hold for 2 minutes. Close your eyes, relax and enjoy. If you feel the urge to breathe, take a quick sip of air and continue. Scan your body and release any tension. Rest and observe. As the breath holds gets longer, you might start to notice new sensations like pleasant colors or images. Just enjoy whatever comes. Let it flow through you like a gentle breeze. Simply observe, be present. No past, no future, nothing to do right now. Almost there. Here comes the recovery breath. In 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in through your nose. Hold and give your body a nice stretch. Gently tense your pelvic floor. With your eyes closed, place your focus on your third eye. You may experience colors or images. Just enjoy whatever comes. In a moment, we will release the air slowly with the mantra Aum. Give it a long tone in 3, 2, 1. Third and final round. Going deeper, mouth breathing, faster pace, powerful, euphoric. In 3, 2, 1. In, out. Breathe fully. Stay relaxed. Stay aware. This powerful breathing reveals what's inside. If it gets too much, just pause. You can always return. If strong emotions arise, you could revisit those emotions in a safe health space, like a dedicated breathwork or rebirthing session, and then come back here. let your breath move like a wild wind within. It knows where to go. Give it all you got. The more you give, the better it feels when we reach the breath hold. No strain, just stay with your breath. Whatever comes, observe and breathe through it. Our final breath hold is coming up. Take one last full deep breath in, the biggest one you got. Release in 3, 2, 1. Let the air out gently and let it settle. Breath hold for 3 minutes. Close your eyes, relax and enjoy. Just let go. You can do it. We built this resilience from round 1 and 2. Notice the silence inside you. This is where breath takes you. Inner nature revealed. If you feel the urge to breathe, just take a quick sip of air and carry on. That's not cheating. That's being kind to yourself. No strain. We're building resilience through repetition and learning to enjoy breathwork more as we go. Scan your body, let go of any tension, rest, observe, just be. No past, no future. Just this moment. Relax into the feeling. There's nothing to do, only to be. Enjoy your presence. This breath with your inner and outer nature. Almost there. Here comes the recovery breath. In 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in through your nose. Hold and give your body a nice final stretch. Gently tense your pelvic floor. Visualize a stream of energy or light rising from your root to the top of your head, flowing up into the universe. We will release the air slowly with the mantra Aum in a long tone. You can vary in pitch or just play with it. In 3, 2, 1. Relax. Just rest here for a moment and enjoy the new state you've created. Do any final stretches or movements that your body is asking for. Thank you so much for being here, for breathing with me today. I hope you enjoyed the session and I hope to see you again soon. For decades I've explored a healthy, vital lifestyle. Since 2019, breathwork has been my daily practice. Eventually I trained as an instructor. Now I'm here to share the best of it with you. Please subscribe and comment below. Check out my channel for more vital tips and tools to inspire and support your journey.